Hi guys, today we're going to make salt and vinegar chicken and cream beans. Today, I got my booster shot this morning, so let's get started. Okay, it's good. I'm being weird. Oh, and today we will have a magic show. Okay, first thing I will do is I will grab a light from the light. Where'd that come from? They're delicious now. Yummy. And let's change it to a rainbow light. And regular light. Rainbow light. Regular light. And bye-bye. Yeah. So what we will be using is salt and vinegar wing dust, and this is chicken wing dust. You can go on Amazon.com and get any kind of flavor you want, not just this kind. Although it goes a long way, so don't put too much on, kids. Well, I'm a kid. If you like salt and vinegar chips, you will like this chicken. But if you don't, just put down no flavor. I mean, it's okay. Not everybody has the same taste buds. Listen, I don't have the same taste buds as my little sister. She eats more than me because she has my dad's taste buds. I have my mom's taste buds. We don't eat much, but yeah. So we will be putting the chicken in on 375 for about 30 minutes. So let's go, baby. Okay, so we're making a brew, which is going to make our cream, or you can say cream beans. So we're making a thing called a brew. Wait, did I already say that? Sorry. So a brew needs butter, milk, and flour. Put the butter in, and add a tablespoon of flour here, and give it a good stir. So what you want to do is you want to get the butter all around the flour. Add 1 cup of milk. You gotta mix the milk until the milk thickens. You gotta be patient. It takes a while. It's sticking. It's over thick enough. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Well, just a little bit more than a pinch, like that much. So we drained our beans, and now we're gonna put it in our sauce. Time to taste test now. I love it. See you next time. Bye.